A childhood shattered for three former Gaston County students abused by their former wrestling coach. Three of those sexual assault victims are now suing that teacher and the school board. Fox 46's Ann Wyatt-Little has new details on their fight for justice.
This abuse that they suffered was significant abuse. I mean, it was not something that we could even talk about on G-rated television.
Attorney Lisa Lanier represents three victims who, when they were boys, were abused by East Gaston High School teacher and wrestling coach Scott Goins. In 2014, a jury sent Goins to prison, finding him guilty of 17 sexual offenses.
With all sorts of mental and emotional issues, post-traumatic stress. A lot of them, struggled with depression, anxiety.
6 years after the criminal trial, the victims are seeking damages against Goins and the Gaston County Board of Education. Lanier's firm filed the suit under a revival period of the Safe Child Act.
These victims, we can't unring the bell of what happened to them. We can't ever really make them whole. And a civil suit, unfortunately comes down to monetary damages and things that can try to compensate them in some way for the loss of their innocence.
Lanier says Goins used his authority as a teacher and coach to sexually abuse the boys. Pain they still live with today. Lanier expects similar cases to be filed under the new law.
To achieve is some public awareness so that people know that it is brand new legislation. And we want people to know that it's out there and that they can come forward and have their voice be heard. And that
attorneys for the school board have until the end of January to file an answer to the suit. Lanier would like to see the case go before a jury, but with the procedural back and forth, that could be a while. In Gaston County, Ann Wyatt-Little, Fox 46.
And we reached out to Gaston County Schools. The district does not comment on pending litigation.